Hello guys and welcome. Today I have for you some Christmas DIYs and I really hope you enjoy them. They were very easy. Most of the items are from the Dollar Tree, and if it's not, I'll specify. And all the items also will be listed on the description box below. On this one, you guys, is basically just follow the steps and glue the corners together. As you guys saw there, I did fold one of the corners so that way you will have a more clean look. And so to fill the inside, I used an old pillow that I had around. It is cheaper this way. Just grab a cheap pillow from Walmart and that's it. It's like $2-3. And then I want to add the ribbon to make it look like a gift. So in this case, as you guys can see here, I just glue the corners, I cut any excess, and voila, it was ready. Finally, I went ahead and topped it off with this beautiful bowl, and it's so pretty that it doesn't need anything else. And it's actually a clip, so it came out perfectly. And this one is going on my entryway, and I really love the look, the festive looks that has. Leave me a comment down below on your thoughts on this DIY. This DIY, you guys, was super easy, and I was trying to kind of transform these, but once I put them together, I just liked it the way it was, and I thought it didn't need anything else. It was so simple, $2 each, and they look so beautiful on these French doors or even on a table like you guys saw before. What do you guys think of this DIY? Leave me a comment down below. Moving on to the next DIY, I'm making an ornament and I'm using my Totally Dazzle bling, and also these stripes that you guys see here. They're diamond and they are from Michael's, and I got them at 50% off for like $3 or $4. And the truth is, you guys, I decided to make this one because personalized ornaments are sometimes expensive. So I decided to make my own, and this one is going to have a picture of a family member that is no longer with us anymore. And but I went ahead and did it with the flowers so you guys see how it'll look like. And for this one, I'm using the Totally Dazzle Snowflake. It is super cute. I really love it. It shines so much. Just perfect. I really love the way this particular ornament turned out. It's one of my favorites of all these DIYs, you guys, because it has a lot of meaning to me. I'll go ahead and add the picture of my loved one. And even like if you have a family abroad but you want to add them on your tree, maybe you're not together for this Christmas but you do want to add them, this is a great idea to do so. I also love the way it adds on my tree. It goes perfectly with everything else and my theme. And if you haven't watched the video where I'm decorating my tree, I would invite you to do so. It'll pop up at the end of the screen of this video, and also right now on the right side of the screen. Moving on to the next one, I'm grabbing this Dollar Tree floral and vase, and also this ribbon. This one is from Big Lots. And I really love this one to incorporate into my decor because it's part of my Christmas tree too. So I want to kind of like all blend together. I'll be using these flowers. These are from Lark Silk. I'll go ahead and link that company for you guys below. It is amazing. They have beautiful products, beautiful flowers, roses. They have Christmas trees, Christmas items. I mean, the variety is just huge. So I'll go ahead and link their information on the description box below. In this case, I'm using their frosted hydrangeas. They are so cute, as you guys saw the details. Then I'll go ahead and add one of these berries from the Dollar Tree, and then 3 of their fern leaves. These are so gorgeous, you guys. I am in love with these ones. They're actually on the top of my tree, and they will go well everywhere, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. This one is also one of my favorites. At the end, I went ahead and added some silver berries from the Dollar Tree as well. And it just looks beautiful, you guys. It was so simple to make, but now we have a beautiful floral centerpiece for this Christmas season. And if you guys are not part of my YouTube family, I would love to have you here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. The subscribe button is on the right side of the screen. One more thing, you guys, I would love to have you on my Instagram at Mimi's Designs, at Totally Glam Decor. Just follow me there and let's get in touch and get to know each other better. Now, I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Ciao. Have a beautiful day.